Welcome. Looking to brighten up your Gmail experience? In today's step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to easily enable the light theme in the Gmail app, giving your inbox a cleaner and more vibrant look. Whether you want to reduce eye strain during the day or simply prefer a classic appearance, switching to the light theme only takes a moment. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Next, head over to the menu icon. You'll find it in the top left corner of the screen. This icon looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on it to open up a panel with more options. Now, scroll down through this menu until you see Settings. Tap on Settings to view the configuration options for your Gmail app. If you have multiple accounts linked, choose the account you wish to change, or to adjust for all, tap on General Settings. Within the General Settings section, find and tap on Theme. This is where you can select how your Gmail app will appear. You'll see a few choices here: light, dark, or system default. To activate the lighter look, simply select Light. After you've chosen the light theme, a confirmation prompt may appear. Tap OK to apply your changes. Just like that, you've refreshed your Gmail interface with the light theme. Your inbox and messages will now display with a bright, clean background, making it easier to read and navigate. This update can be changed at any time, so if you ever want to switch back to dark mode or match your device's system settings, just follow these quick steps again. Enjoy the new look and feel of your Gmail app. For more helpful tips, keep exploring and personalizing your digital experience.